Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I needed the perfect size poster frame for this kind of extra large poster to add to my gallery wall, and I am so happy that I found this one.
This black frame by PAXNOK is in the A2 design and it's the 16.5 by 23.4-inch frame. I appreciate that you can hang it vertically or horizontally. It has two hooks for either way, so you're able to have that nice and secure on the wall. Super easy for these little hooks to slide into place, which I really appreciate. And the frame itself is nice and sturdy and solid. I love that because sometimes poster frames are a little flimsy and kind of plasticky. Not the case with this one at all. It's a beautiful solid frame that looks really, really nice hanging up on the wall, and it's perfect for a poster, perfect for a gallery wall.
So if you're looking for a great quality frame for a poster or a work of art that you want to hang up on your wall, I highly recommend checking out this frame. I'm super happy with it, and I think you will be too, but that's just my point of view.